All right, guys. Last box. Hit draft. Lumber Kings Leaf. Number 10. Six times. Peggy's not modded? I didn't know Peggy was on there. Peggy, where'd you go? Peg, I didn't even see you down there. There you go. I didn't see you. I'm sorry. There you go. Logged in. Modded up, Peggy. 6 times, guys. Thanks, Ellie, for letting me know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and final. Good luck. JJ, number 1. 2, Kaput. 3, Staten Island. 4, Joey. Joey's been getting killed 6 times. I don't know. I think everybody comes out fairly decent as far as you're guaranteed something and no matter what. Oh. 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 Oh, dude. That is beautiful. I think so. Good luck. One of one. Game used lumber. Evgeny Malkin. Told you there's usually one of one per case. It's usually the standard for Leaf. Minimum, you get at least one. This isn't that good, JJ, actually. I was joking, bro. He's like, yeah. And we got 6 sacks of dynamite. Number to 15, Richard Henry, Gainey, Shutt, Yvonne, Guy, and Sergei Savard. Guy Lafleur, a.k.a. Guy Lafleur. This is kind of nice too, actually. This is a good box. 4 out of 9, game used lumber, Tom Barrasso. It's a nice box, actually. Considering it's got a 101 in it. It's not watered down, in other words. And final 12 of 12 for the Blues. Twig Sigs, Brett Hull. Pretty good box, man. I don't know. You might have to put that hit back out, Nick. JJ. All right, guys. Looks like JJ is going with the... Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said Brasso. Evgeny Malkin, 1 of 1. What a beauty. Congrats. 6 sacks. Oh my gosh. Caputo. Hey, Peggy's in the chat. All right, Kaput. We got 11 to 15. Dynamite. Richard Gainey. Shut. Yvonne Cormier, Guy Lafleur, and Sergei Savard to 15. Brett Hull. Dual stick auto, 12 of 12. Barrasso. Game used goalie lumber, number to 9. Take your time, Kaput. It's fine. It's no biggie, dude. It's not like we got anything going on. We got sacks by Caputo. Sacking it up. And Nikki C. I know your favorites already. Really don't even have to ask because I know the things you like. He likes Twig Sigs. So that is going to Nikki C. and Joe Dog Barrasso to 9. That finishes off the case. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. I don't know if I can get more Lumber Kings. You guys know how it goes. The following week, they usually jack it up like 60 bucks a box, so we'll see. Gets crazy after the first week. Thank you guys. Appreciate it big time.